Okay, for this video we're going to look at some of those basic terms that we talked about and do some construction to them. So when the first one we're going to look at is taking a line and bisecting it with a compass. So I got my line AB. I'm going to take my compass and open it up the compass to where it's greater than half of the distance of line AB. I'm going to draw an arc using A and B as my center points. So I'll have an arc drawn that way, and then I'll have another arc drawn that way. And now I have points C and D, and I can just connect those 2 points. Now I've bisected my line using a compass. Another way that we can bisect the line is with a triangle. Now we'll take that same line, AB. First off, before we do anything else, we're going to create a line that's perpendicular to it. So we can take our triangle and run it across that. So take that 30-degree angle side and draw 2 lines going from endpoint to endpoint. So here I have that 30-degree angle, that 30-degree angle. And now I have points, or I should say line C and line D, and it made point E. So now I just need to draw my line, and I've got a bisection of a line using a triangle. Here we have an arc, and again it's line AB. I'm going to take my compass and bisect it. Using point B and point A again as center points, something greater than half. I'm going to draw an arc there, draw an arc there. Again, I've got point C and point D created. And all I do is just connect my 2 endpoints again. And I've got a bisection of an arc. Here we have trying to bisect an angle. Let me give a point O right here. So I'm just going to make one simple arc. Doesn't matter about being greater than half. Just make an arc right now. And we'll say it has radius 1 for right now. And it created point C and point D. So now I got arc CD. I'm going to make another arc. But this time, this will mean greater than half of line C, of arc CD, and make an arc. And so there, make an arc from there to there, and then again make another arc from there to there, from here to here. So this radius right here is R2, along with this radius, it's R2. It's greater than CD, half of CD. So from that point, I made this point right here, and we'll say this is E. Triangle AOE, or I should say angle AOE, should be equal to angle BOE. And that's basically let me create that angle right there. So the last one that we're going to look at is taking a line and dividing it into equal parts. Okay, so I'm going to need a ruler on this one. Alright, and I'm going to also need a triangle. I'm going to take my triangle and draw a line perpendicular line. Okay, I'm actually done with my triangle now, and I've got line AC now, or I should say in this case scenario AO, because I have AC right here. So then I'm going to take my scale, put my scale at 0, and then put this at the end point of a line. Now the question would be how many divisions I wanted in. So if I wanted in 7 equal measurements, and I measured it and it's like 8 inches long, so I want 7 equal parts, but that line is 8 inches, so it's going to be a funny math. So basically what I'll do is find a scale that's appropriate to where it ends up with 7, and I'll make my divisions. And then I'll take my triangle again and make my marks. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 being this one right here. And that's dividing a line into equal parts.